Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Spirit Students Academy. Today we discuss about phonetics, sounds of English. Phonetic is the scientific study of speech sound of a language. There are 26 alphabet and there are 44 sounds of English divided into three types: monophthong, diphthong, consonant. Monophthong 12. Uh, there are two types of monophthong: short vowel sound and long vowel sound. Diphthong, there are 8 diphthong: close ended and centering. Consonant, there are 24 consonant sounds of English. Consonant sounds divided into two types: voiced sound and unvoiced sound. Here we see the shape of mouth: front, middle, back, close, half open and open. These are monophthong sounds. Here we see the position of mouth and setting of monophthong sounds.